I felt lost, empty, like I was just existing, not living. Days passed, weeks passed, and I had no direction, no meaning, no purpose. I tried everything, jobs, hobbies, friends, but nothing filled the void. I kept asking myself, why am I here? What am I meant to do? Then I discovered the path. Simple steps that lead to clarity. Steps that help you find your purpose. Steps that change everything. If you follow them, you can stop feeling lost. You can discover your reason to live. And finally, create a life you are proud of. I felt like I was drifting. No direction, no goals. Just waking up, going through the motions. I watched others succeed. Others seemed certain about their lives, certain about their purpose. And I felt behind. I tried to follow what others did, take the same path, copy their routines, but it never felt right. It never felt mine. I tried hobbies, I tried new jobs, I tried traveling, I tried learning new skills, but none of it gave me meaning. I asked myself every day, why am I here? What should I do with my life? The question haunted me. It made me restless. It kept me awake at night. I realized I had been looking outside myself. I sought purpose in people, jobs, success. I thought meaning would come from recognition, from money, from fame, but it didn't. I decided to look within, to reflect deeply, to explore my values, my passions, my strengths. I started writing every morning. Thoughts, dreams, fears, patterns began to emerge, things that excited me, things I felt strongly about, things that gave me energy. I experimented with small actions, trying different projects, helping others, learning new skills, testing what felt meaningful. Each experiment taught me something. I faced fear constantly. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of wasting time. But I learned that fear is part of the process. It shows what truly matters. I reflected on moments I felt alive. Times when I felt joy, fulfillment, flow. What was I doing? What values were being expressed? These moments were clues. I talked to mentors, people who inspired me. I asked questions. I listened. I observed. Their experiences gave me guidance, not answers. I realized purpose is not a single goal. It is a direction, a path aligned with values, a way to contribute, grow, and create impact. I started setting intentions, not just goals, daily actions connected to my values, small steps that built meaning. Consistency mattered more than perfection. I explored what I loved, what activities made time disappear, what challenges I enjoyed facing, what made me proud. These were signs pointing toward purpose. Discovered that purpose grows through action, not by thinking, not by waiting. Action reveals what matters. Action refines direction. Action builds clarity. I faced moments of doubt, moments when I questioned everything. But I kept moving, kept experimenting, kept observing. I learned to embrace discomfort. Purpose often lies outside comfort zones. Risk and challenge are part of discovery. I connected with others, helping people, creating value, making impact. The more I contributed, the clearer my purpose became. I noticed patterns, strengths I ignored, passions I overlooked, values I neglected, all guiding me toward meaning. I journaled progress. I reflected weekly. What did I enjoy? What felt meaningless? What actions energized me? Patterns emerged. Clarity increased. I learned patience. Purpose does not appear overnight. It is discovered through persistence, through reflection, through action. I experimented with careers, projects, hobbies. Some failed, some succeeded. Every failure taught me something essential. Every success confirmed my path. I realized purpose is personal. Not what society values, not what family expects, not what friends admire. It is unique to you, your energy, your joy, your impact. I started aligning my daily life with my discoveries. Small actions built consistency. Consistency revealed passion. Passion shaped purpose. I stopped chasing approval. I stopped imitating others. I focused on what made me feel alive, and slowly, clarity began to form. I learned the first step to finding purpose. Look inward. Reflect on your values. Observe your reactions. Notice what excites you. Notice what energizes you. I began to experiment, test possibilities, step into discomfort, take action, learn from results. I realized every struggle taught me something. Every doubt clarified my priorities. Every mistake redirected me. Purpose is not a destination. It is a journey, a continuous discovery, a practice, a way of living intentionally. Once I began taking consistent action, life changed. I stopped drifting. I stopped feeling lost. I had direction. I had clarity. I focused on what energized me, what excited me, what gave me joy and fulfillment. I aligned my daily actions with these discoveries. Every small choice mattered. Every habit reinforced purpose. I faced fear constantly. Fear of failure. Fear of judgment. Fear of wasting time. But I learned to act anyway. I learned that courage is doing what matters despite fear. I started saying no to distractions. No to activities that drained me. No to people who pulled me away from my path. I created space for what truly matters. Space to grow. Space to contribute. Space to live intentionally. I experimented with projects. Some failed, some succeeded. Every failure taught me something essential. Every success confirmed my direction. I connected deeply with others, helping, teaching, creating value. The more I contributed, the clearer my purpose became. I realized purpose is often found in service, in making a difference, in leaving a mark. I journaled daily, reflected weekly, tracked patterns in my energy, excitement, and fulfillment. This reflection refined my path, made it more precise, more meaningful. I learned to embrace uncertainty. Purpose is not always obvious. Sometimes it takes detours. Sometimes it emerges, slowly. Patience is essential. I discovered identity-based purpose. I am a person who grows. I am a person who contributes. Actions followed identity naturally. Habits aligned with purpose. Life felt effortless, yet meaningful. I faced challenges, unexpected events, disappointments, failures. But purpose carried me. It guided decisions. It provided resilience. I celebrated. Progress, not perfection. Small wins mattered. Consistency mattered more than speed. Momentum built over time, and momentum created confidence. I refined routines. Morning, afternoon, evening actions aligned with purpose. Each habit reinforced the next. Daily life became intentional. Every choice had meaning. I realized emotions guide purpose. Joy, excitement, pride. Following what energizes you points the way. Fear and discomfort indicate growth areas. Balance guides decisions. I applied lessons in multiple areas: career, health, relationships, learning. contribution, each aligned with my values and passions. I noticed transformation. Clarity replaced confusion. Motivation replaced apathy. Energy replaced fatigue. Confidence replaced self-doubt. I embraced lifelong learning. Purpose grows through action, through reflection, through adapting to change, through consistent, small steps. I faced moments of doubt, but I kept acting, kept experimenting, kept refining, and clarity grew. I discovered the ultimate truth. Purpose is not found outside, not in money, fame, or approval. Purpose is found inside, in values, in passions. In contribution, I learned to trust myself, to trust my intuition, to act even when unsure. Purpose emerges through action. I connected with mentors, people who inspired me. I learned from their journeys, but I followed my own path. Purpose is personal. It cannot be copied. I aligned every decision with my discoveries. Every day became meaningful. Every choice reinforced growth. Every action aligned with who I truly am. I learned to embrace discomfort. Challenge and struggle are part of the process. They refine purpose. They strengthen resolve. I realized purpose is dynamic. It evolves with experience, with learning, with contribution. It is not fixed. It is a living, growing path. I saw results everywhere. Energy increased. Motivation grew. Relationships improved. Career advanced. I felt alive. I stopped chasing external validation. I stopped following paths others expected. I followed what resonated deeply, what made me feel alive, what gave meaning to my actions. I created systems to reinforce purpose, daily reflection, tracking energy and fulfillment, adjusting routines, stacking habits aligned with values. I faced life with confidence. Every decision felt intentional. Every challenge felt manageable. Every day felt meaningful. I realized purpose is not a single answer. It is a journey, a direction, a way of living, fully. A commitment to growth, contribution, and alignment with self. I discovered this ultimate truth. Your purpose is already within you. It waits to be uncovered. It waits to guide you. It waits for your consistent action. I act daily. I reflect daily. I contribute daily. And my life is no longer aimless. It is guided. It is meaningful. It is full of energy and clarity. I now know finding your purpose is not a secret. It is a process, a practice, a series of choices and actions. And when you follow it, life becomes extraordinary. Your purpose is waiting. Look within. Act consistently. Reflect. Grow. And step by step, you will find it.